As the sons of Pandu returned to Hastinapura, another story already shaped their fate. The strange birth of their cousins, the 100 Kauravas. What began as family would one day become war. Namaste, friends. In today's episode, we will explore two key events: the Pandavas' return to Hastinapura and the mysterious birth of the Kauravas. Let's understand how this powerful rivalry began, not in battlefield, but in the womb. Queen Gandhari, wife of Dhritarashtra, was once blessed by sage Vyasa. You will be the mother of 100 sons. But time passed, and Gandhari did not give birth. Frustrated, she struck her own womb and delivered a lump of flesh. Vyasa came again. He divided the flesh into 100 pieces and placed them in pots with ghee. These clay jars were kept in secret for 2 years. In time, from each pot emerged a child. The firstborn was Duryodhana, followed by 99 brothers and one sister Dussala. From unnatural beginnings came unnatural ambition. Meanwhile, in the forest, King Pandu died after falling to a terrible curse. His second wife Madari followed him into the fire. Kunti, now mother to 5 powerful sons, made a difficult decision. It's a time to return to Hastinapura. My sons must take their place. And so, Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva entered the capital. Their arrival created a stir. The citizens gathered to see the noble children of Pandu, believed to be dead. Bhishma, the grand desire, Vidura, and the blind king Dhritarashtra welcomed them with open arms. Even though Dhritarashtra couldn't see them, he sensed their power. Bhishma said, "These are Pandu's sons, our future protectors." Duryodhana, the crown prince, watched silently. His pride was hurt. Until now, he was the only heir in Hastinapura. Now, 5 more had arrived, and the people already loved them. Thus began the silent fire, a hatred that would only grow. The Pandavas and Kauravas began their education together, first under Krupacharya and later Dronacharya. Yudhishthira stood out for his Dharma. Bhima showed raw strength. Arjuna mastered weapons like no other. And the twins Nakula and Sahadeva too earned admiration. But every praise given to the Pandavas made Duryodhana's heart colder. They were raised as brothers, but destiny had drawn a battle line between them. These seeds of Mahabharata were planted in jealousy, ambition, and fate. In the next episode, the teacher Drona enters. The beginnings, the shaping of heroes, but also the testing of loyalties. Join me as the story deepens. Jai Hind.